Hello! We are going to try some British foods that we have never tried before.
Yep, we're gonna try some savory meal things, basically.
Yeah, today we're trying some, I think they're considered some traditional things that you would eat in Britain. And we're gonna start with
some meat pies.
Yes, meat pies. So we got two traditional meat pies. These are Delectamenti brand, Crown. We have beef and onion and steak and ale, traditional pies. Do you know which one is which?
It's the beef and onion and the steak and ale.
That is quite good. I would say it is probably the most similar to like a beef pot pie or something that we would have here. But it is like 10 times better than I think, at least the kind that you can get in a freezer here, because this is something we found in the freezer section of a local British store here in the United States. You know, probably having it like in person in Britain would make it even better. But compared to similar things that we have in our freezer section, this is definitely a lot tastier. Pretty beefy, pretty oniony. I don't know if there's a lot other in it other than just like beef and onion, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty much straight up beefy onion time.
But yeah, it's pretty good. I think you might like it a little more than I do. I don't think it's bad.
Yeah, it's kind of like a beef stew flavor.
Kinda, yeah. In
a nice, well done little pie casing.
So we did get two of these pies. The other one is a steak and ale pie.
They're the same brand, though,
yeah, they're
right?
the same brand.
Okay. Oh no, I got a big bite. This one definitely has more of the ale flavor. Like it
I like that one better.
See, I like the other one better.
Well, that works out for us.
Yeah, I really like the first one. It just has like a nice savory beefy flavor. I feel like this one definitely has more of like the ale, like it has that beer flavor accent. It's not bad, I like the first one better.
Yeah, I like the second one better. I like, I don't know, the steak meat in it, I like the consistency of that better than the ground beef in the other, and I like the ale taste. I think they both actually have like parsnip in them too, but those are kind of mushy and just go into everything. But yeah, those are both pretty good.
Can we talk about how like flaky and delicious?
Yeah, the crust is really flaky. Yeah, if I was to do it again, I would probably go for the steak and ale. Though they did have another couple of flavors there. They had a chicken and portobello and a steak and kidney, which I'm a little apprehensive, but I would try. I know
that steak and kidney is like a traditional one. Is it like kidney of a body part, or is it like kidney beans?
No, I think it's like beef kidney.
I don't know if I want to try that as much, but I don't know. Let us know. Should we try the beef and kidney, and is it the kind of kidney that Jeremy thinks it is? I don't know. I mean, I'd try it either way. I don't know. I like those. Next up, we have what, at least according to the packaging of this item, is a traditional Cornish pasty.
From Cornwall.
From Cornwall, yes.
These are cheese and onion ones?
Yeah. Made by Ginsters. It does say it is a taste of Cornwall. And they say that they've been making these since, I think, like the 60s. 100% Cornish cheddar. They've been baking these in their home in Cornwall since 1969. These also came from our pal at the local British store that we have. So he, being British, I would assume would import some good stuff for us. So hopefully that's true.
We don't have to assume. We know he's from Britain.
Oh, did I say that we assume he's, oh yeah, no, we know he's British. But I think I meant we will assume that the things.
He's importing good things.
Yeah, that he knows what he's doing.
He did say these were good.
Yes, he did recommend these to us.
These seem very flaky.
They smell really good.
They smell really good.
Nice and oniony.
But cheesy as well.
Yeah. Cheers. Cheers, mate. This is one of like the best frozen food,
pastry kind of things,
baked goods I've ever had.
Yeah, the crust is super flaky. I almost feel like the onion in there, that there's like almost leek or something in there too, maybe.
It's quite oniony
and quite cheesy.
And
flaky, and
that Cornish cheddar, it's good.
I really like that.
It is quite amazing. Yeah, I think you're right. Is that green is that like green onion? I think it's green onion.
Spring onion, yeah.
Is that little pieces of potato in there?
Yeah, there's potatoes, there's a spring onion.
And then the Cornwall cheddar.
And the Cornwall cheddar, yeah.
Yeah, this is amazing. I love these. If these coming from a freezer and being like something we made at home from across the pond, I can only imagine how good these would be.
Pasties are from like a bakery.
Or like in Cornwall having a real Cornish pasty. Yum. The next thing we're gonna be eating, we actually ate before.
Yeah.
But a lot of you guys had some suggestions about how we could make our experience of eating it a little bit better. So today we are going to be trying beans again, but you guys have given us a lot of suggestions for how we can make specifically beans on toast much better than just what we ate, which in our video, the first rule is that we learned that a lot of you guys said you gotta eat it with a fork and a knife. So we've got
fork and a knife.
Fork and knife. We just were like picking it up, eating it, you know.
Also, I didn't butter the toast last time. I didn't know.
Yeah, and a bunch of you guys said we should do it. So that's what we're gonna do. So Jeremy already heated our beans. He toasted our bread, buttered it. Is that what this one is right here?
Yep, that's just beans and toast, but buttered toast.
Still gonna eat it the American way with my fork.
Sorry. Butter definitely makes a difference.
We also got
better bread than last time.
Better bread than last time, yeah. We just had cheap bread and we got like a nice white bread, so yeah.
That's pretty good actually. Yeah.
It is interesting because we do have baked beans here in America.
They're different. They're sweeter.
They're sweeter, and I like these better because they're not so sugary. I think we use like molasses. They're like a molasses and brown sugar. And these definitely are.
I think they might have some sugar in them, but they're not nearly as much.
Yeah, they're just not nearly as sweet. They're a little more savory, and I like the tomato. Probably the #1 recommendation that you guys gave us was to put grated cheese, specifically most of you said cheddar. So grated cheddar cheese it is. That's what we're trying next.
Okay. I think you guys know what you're doing with your beans.
Yeah. When we just tried just beans, just plain beans on toast, like it was perfectly good.
That's fine.
But this is increasingly getting better. And now I understand why beans on toast are popular. We also had a few of you guys tell us that we should put a poached or a fried egg on top of our beans and toast, with or without cheddar. We got like a lot of comments, and a lot of them had a combination of things. So I think we're gonna just try a combination of everything. Well, not everything, because we got so many comments about it. But let's try an egg, and then an egg with some cheese.
Sounds good.
This is getting messy.
Yolky.
I don't know that I like that as well as just the cheese. It's a little unusual.
I like it.
Okay.
It's pretty good.
I'm gonna try the part with the cheese with it.
Egg and cheese for you.
Yeah.
That makes it better.
I think I just got so much yolk in my first bite that it was kind of like almost weird, but a little more like balance of all of the things. Yeah, that's pretty delightful.
I like it.
I like it too. Next up we have bacon with beans on toast. Now, I know that this is what you guys would call streaky bacon, I think. You guys normally have a different bacon, but we just...
Did what we could?
Yeah, we don't have that here, so at least not to my knowledge, we couldn't find it. So streaky bacon it is, but we're gonna try some bacon on toast. Bacon on beans on toast.
That's pretty good.
Now that's starting to taste more like our baked beans.
Yeah.
We very commonly put bacon in our baked beans.
Yeah, bacon or pork in it, yeah.
Yeah, so that kind of just tastes more like our baked beans to me. Now let's try like a little conglomerate of everything. Let's try egg, bacon, and grated cheese on top. I'm losing beans. Hurry.
Yes.
Hurry, I'm losing beans. Yum. That's really good.
Mm-hmm.
I think the key ingredient is beans. That's actually not what I was gonna say. I was gonna say cheese. But I think like the cheese is really what brings everything together every time.
Yeah, I like the cheese a lot.
We have one more thing to try. You guys gave us tons of suggestions from like using like curry or turmeric, hot sauce, all kinds of things. But a few of you suggested to get some brown sauce. So we got some brown sauce and we're gonna try, I think we're gonna try just a little bit of brown sauce on plain baked beans and then with like everything else. See if it enhances it and makes it even better. The more the merrier, right? That makes it taste a little bit more like dinner. Mm-hmm. And I feel like everything else is very breakfast to me.
That's fair. It's good.
I don't know that it adds anything. I like the flavor of the brown sauce. Mm-hmm. I just don't know if it's right for me for beans on toast. But I am gonna try it with like a little bit of everything. A little bit of cheese, a little bit of bacon, a little bit of egg.
A little bit of toast, a little bit of bean.
Yep, and some brown sauce on top.
I don't know if it's because I had more of it or just the combination of everything. I liked better than it just on the cheese ones.
I had Jeremy put just like a little dollop on mine and it was just like a nice little touch of flavor. So I liked it with everything. I think my favorite would probably be just like grated cheese on beans on toast. And everything.
Maybe.
Everything is good, like having it all together is good, but the cheese is the key, I think.
I mean, we both like cheese a lot, so it's
Yeah.
not the hugest surprise. But
Yeah.
yeah, either that. I don't know. Everything was good. I liked the egg more than I thought I would. The egg and the cheese. Mm-hmm. Not that I thought I would dislike it, but I liked it more than I thought I would.
Yeah, so thank you guys for the suggestions.
Yeah.
I have to say, as far as everything that we have tried, I probably think that the Cornish pasty was my favorite.
That was really good.
Although the grated cheese, beans on toast is
Not bad.
pretty good.
Not
Pretty
bad
good.
at all.
If you guys have any suggestions of other things that we should try, or if, you know, if we were to come to England, what would you suggest that we get there and where should we get it? I would love to know. Any suggestions of like any traditional dishes or things that we haven't tried yet, so. What do you recommend?
Yeah, and we know like Aldi. We know about Aldi. That's about all the grocery stores we know, so.
And that's German,
That's
technically.
true, but they
and
do
we
have them
And
there.
we have them here too.
And that's
so.
why we know about them.
But anyways, thank you so much for watching. A huge shout out to our patrons. Thank you for supporting our channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out either this video that YouTube recommends or this playlist of us trying a lot of British things. We'll see you soon. Bye.